Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the live chat or the live chat bot on Google Merchant Center. So you can easily enable this once you're on your account, guys. And in order to do that, you want to go ahead and click on settings on the lower left hand side and go into your business info. From here on the details, ensure that you click and edit business details. Scroll down and you will find the customer service section. Ensure to add your customer service details or your contact details here, such as possibly your website, your email address, phone number, and right here you can find live chat support and even the chatbot support as well. So you can choose to enable whichever one you want, and that's pretty much it, guys. Click save once you're done. Keep in mind that you also have at the bottom here it says your preferred contact method. You can choose how you want, whether that's going to be for the chatbot or the live chat. So if, for example, you choose live chat, you will just choose this option, ensure that you select it as a preferred contact method, click and save, and that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.